Hello guys, this is Arkneil Gaming and I'm going to share my Clan Wars duel with a top 167 player. So his best season was number 412 in the world global ranking, but he has a lower finish at 167 with 3,352 trophies. So let's watch the replay. So first I'm going to use my homemade golem deck that I've been using for a few months already. This deck has already helped me reach Ultimate Champion a few seasons ago. Yeah, I lagged there, so I deployed units were late. But good thing we were able to negate the wall breakers. So I'm going to use my lumberjack to protect against the royal ghost. He used miners, so I have no choice but to use Evo E-Dragon. Split wall breakers from the opponent. He was trying to activate King Tower but he failed. So even top players make mistakes. The problem here is I lagged again. I don't know, my connection was not good. So here I bar barrel and then tornado. Then I went for my first golem. I let the Mega Knight hit. I went all in on the other lane. But he had the Evo Mega Knight, so that pushed my golem away from the tower. Then I place another golem. Bar barrel to defend the skeleton barrel. Here I was confident because you cannot defend my big push. So my next deck is the Furnace Graveyard. Yeah, I just adjusted the volume, guys, sorry. Okay, so he had archers and tombstone. The problem with this matchup is he had Mother Witch, so of course I am hard countered. Yeah, I tried to capitalize on the tombstone by placing a Spear Goblin Hat in front, and then I saw his first Mother Witch, and yeah, Princess yan emote because I know I'm hard counted. Sorry. Sorry guys. Since he used the Mother Witch, I used Graveyard, but too bad he has Archers. Another hard counter to me. Yeah, so I had no choice but to say wow. Yeah, so I'm gonna fast forward this, guys. Yeah, I tried my best to make a counter push. But the problem is I cannot punish him because he has Mother Witch. Here he is Royal Giant. And he has Fireball and Zap. Sorry, Fireball and Rage for the Furnace. And he's playing a Smart Tombstone behind the tower. And again, another yawning emote. Sorry for the DM, guys. So I'm really hard counted here. And he's a top 100 player. Top 100 plus player. So I'm really at a disadvantage. I want to triple Elixir, but again, with the Mother Witch. It's not playing the Mother Witch unless I play the Graveyard. So this is good game. So that's one all for us. Then I use my Baby Dragon Evolution P.E.K.K.A deck.
Just like that.
Once I saw the Boss Bandit, I had no choice but to use the P.E.K.K.A because that's the hard counter to the Boss Bandit. The problem with this matchup is he has the Executioner Evolution and I don't have an answer to that. And he has Goblins, so my Zap is useless. Against the Goblins. Berserker for defense. But the good thing is we have the Vines and the Zap for the Ram Rider. So I placed my first Ram Rider. So I think he should have just played this Ram Rider defensively. I don't know why he chose the Berserker instead.
Out of my way.
Anyway, I used the P.E.K.K.A. Got one hit. And my minions are useless in this game because he has the Executioner. So I placed the Baby Dragon. I was thinking that he would place the Goblins, but he placed the Executioner first. My P.E.K.K.A locked on his tower, but he pushed it to the Boss Bandit, but easily got taken down by the P.E.K.K.A. But he has Evo Snowball. So at least the Evo Snowball is out of cycle. Double Elixir, guys. I P.E.K.K.A at the back. I'm leading by 2,000 hit points in our towers. There's a Boss Bandit at the back. That was a wrong E-Spirit because it hit my Baby Dragon. Should have placed it on the right. Yeah. There's another P.E.K.K.A. And I wasn't able to put down my E-Spirit. Sorry guys, I'm not a good cycle player. So he's catching up, guys. Still I have no counter for that Executioner. And he played the Boss Bandit. Too bad for him that I got the Executioner. Yeah, again. I wasn't able to use the Electro Spirit faster. But the Ram Rider didn't get a hit. Now it's gonna go Lightning and Ram Rider. I used the Vines, but I didn't get any damage, so all I have to do is defend again, because I'm leading by 700 points. But don't forget he has Lightning, guys. So I might just better go on the offensive. I don't have a heavy spell. The minions are useless. He Lightning. But the only thing I could think of was to use 2 Pekkas, but the other Pekka got eliminated. But with the Baby Dragon, yes, he wasn't able to snowball properly because the Ram Rider is too fast. Yes, he's the E-Spirit. All I have to do is defend for 30 seconds to win. Taken down is the Ram Rider. Vines the Executioner, and I use the very OP Yawning emote. And then another Baby Dragon. Yes, more BM, guys, sorry. And the minion is locked on. So that's how I defeated a top 137 player global ranking. We did have a few misplays, guys. Sorry, 167, not 137. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed. I just shared it, guys. I also have another video here where I defeated a top 2049 finisher. But that is for another video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.